let us hear the sound. Let us hear the sound of a Moto Guzzi. Starting my bike, I move along the way. A hitchhike girl across the USA. She's standing there with a thumb up her eyes. I stop and ask her what she likes. I wanna hear the sound of your Moto Guzzi. I wanna hear that sound. I wanna hear the sound of your Moto Guzzi. Please let me hear that sound. Moving along on the US track, the tits of the girlfriend stiff nice in my back. That's the feeling I've been going through. Step on your bike and it could happen to you. Together we go, together we ride. The sun is so deeply shining our eyes. Together we go, together we ride. The sun is so deeply shining our eyes. To failing some gas, I'm taking some coke, but even smells like trash. The beer is better and the girl's so fine. Good-looking woman when she talks to mine. I wanna hear the sound of your Moto Guzzi. I wanna hear that sound. I wanna hear the sound of your Moto Guzzi. Please let me hear that sound. I wanna hear that sound. I wanna hear that sound. We see the horizon that is colorful red. The girl whispers in my ear, let's go to bed. But I said, no girl, I'm driving so well. I'm pulling the throttle and running to hell. Together we go, together we ride. The sun is so deeply shining our eyes. Together we go, together we ride. The sun is so deeply shining our eyes. I want you to buy me a Moto Guzzi. I want you to buy me a Moto Guzzi. I want you to buy me a Moto Guzzi. A Moto Guzzi. A Moto Guzzi. Together we go, together we ride. Together we go, together we ride.